Om. The Ashtavakra Gita. Ashtavakra Gita is an ancient spiritual document of great purity and power. Pure because it is relentlessly one-pointed. Every word is aimed to triggering self-realization. No suggestions for self-improvement. No rules for moral behavior. No practical wisdom for daily life. Powerful because the mere reading or repeated reading of it can be enough to span the ripe mind reeling into truth. There are 20 chapters in Ashtavakra Gita. From chapter 1, King Janak asked the sage Ashtavakra, how can attained knowledge, detachment, liberation? Ashtavakra preached to Janak. Last 20 chapter in final flurry of questions pointed only at their own meaninglessness. Janak burns off the last vestiges of personhood and enters dissolution. Let's thus start with briefing of chapters. In the chapter 1, instruction on self-realization. Chapter 2, joy of self-realization. Chapter 3, test of self-realization. Chapter 4, glorification of self-realization. Chapter 5, 4 ways to dissolution. 6, the higher knowledge. 7, nature of self-realization. 8, bondage and liberation. 9th, detachment. 10th, quietude. 11th, wisdom. 12th, abiding in the self. 13th, happiness. 14th, tranquility. 15th, knowledge of the self. 16th, special instruction. 17th, the true knower. 18th, peace. 19th, repose in the self. 20th, liberation in the life. So now we are looking first chapter in Sanskrit and English language. Chapter 1, instruction on self-realization. Janak uvacha katham gnanamavapnoti katham muktirbhavishyati vairagyam cha katham praptam etad bruhi mama prabho. Janak said, Master, how is knowledge to be achieved, detachment acquired, liberation attained? Ashtavakra uvacha Muktim ichhasi chetat vishayan vishavat yaja shamarjavadaya tosha shatyam piyushavad bhaja. Ashtavakra said, to be free, shun the experience of the senses like poison. Turn your attention to forgiveness, sincerity, kindness, simplicity, truth. Na prithvim na jalam na agnir वायुर्ध्योर्नं वा भवान् एषां साक्षिणमात्मानं चिद्रूपं विद्धि मुक्तये. You are not earth, water, fire or air, nor are you empty space. Liberation is to know yourself as awareness alone, the witness of these. यदि देहं पृथक्कृत्य चिति विश्राम्य तिष्ठसि अधुनैव सुखी शांतो बंधमुक्तो भविष्यसि. Abide in awareness with no illusion of person. You will be instantly free and at peace. न त्वं विप्रादिको वर्णो नाश्रमे नाक्षगोचरः असंगोषी निराकारो विश्वसाक्षी सुखी भव. You have no caste or duties. You are invisible, unattached, formless. You are the witness of all things. Be happy. धर्मो सुखं दुःखं मानसानि न ते विभो न कर्तासि न भोक्तासि मुक्त एवासि सर्वदा. Right and wrong, pleasure and pain exist in mind only. They are not your concern. You neither do nor enjoy. You are free. एको द्रष्टासि सर्वस्य मुक्तप्रायोऽसि सर्वदा. अयमेव हि ते बन्धो द्रष्टारं पश्यसीतरम्. You are the solitary witness of all that is, forever free. Your only bondage is not seeing this. Aham kartetyaham manam महाकृष्णा हि दंशितः नाहं कर्तेति विश्वासं मृतं पीत्वा सुखी भव. The thought, I am the doer, is the bite of a poisonous snake. To know I do nothing is the wisdom of faith. Be happy. एको विशुद्ध बोधोऽहम् इति निश्चयवह्निना प्रज्वाल्य ज्ञानगहनं वितशोकः सुखी भव. A single understanding, I am the one awareness, consumes all suffering in the fire of an instant. Be happy. Yatra vishwamidam bhati kalpitam rajju saparvata ananda paramanandah sabodhastvam sukham bhava. You are unbounded awareness, bliss, supreme bliss, in which the universe appears like the mirage of snake in a rope. Be happy. Muktabhimani mukto hi bandho bandhabhimanyapi kim vadantih satyeyam yamatih sagatir bhavet. It is true what they say. You are what you think. If you think you are bound, you are bound. If you think you are free, you are free. Atma Sakshi Vibhuhu Purna Eko Muktaschidakriyah Asango Nispruha Santo Brahmat Sansarvaniva. You are self, the solitary witness. You are perfect, all-pervading one. You are free, desireless, forever still. The universe is but a seeming in you. Kutastham bodhamadvaitam atmanam paribhavaya abhasoham brahmam muktva bhavam bahya mathantaram. Meditate on this. I am awareness alone, unity itself. Give up the idea that you are separate, a person, that there is within and without. Dehabhimana pashena chiram bandhosi putraka bodhoham gnana khaggegena tannikrutya sukhi bhava. You have long been bound thinking, I am a person. Let the knowledge, I am awareness alone, be the sword that frees you. Nishango nishkriyo shitvam swaprakasho niranjanah ayameva hi te bandha samadhi manutisthati. You are now and forever free, luminous, transparent, still. The practice of meditation keeps one in bondage. Tvaya vyaptamidam vishvam tvayi proktam yatharthatah shuddha buddha swarupastvam magama kshudra chittatam. You are pure consciousness, the substance of the universe. The universe exists within you. Don't be small-minded. Nirapaksho nirvikaro nirbhara shittalashayah agada buddhirakshubdo bhavachin matravashanah. You are unconditioned, changeless, formless. You are solid, unfathomable, cool. Desire nothing. You are consciousness. Shakaram anrutam viddhi nirakaram tu nischalam etat tattvopadeshena na punarbhava shambhavah. That which has form is not real. Only the formless is permanent. Once this is known, you will not return to illusion. Yatheva darshamadhyasthe rupentah paritastu saha तथैवास्मिन् शरीरेऽन्तः परितः परमेश्वरः. Just as a mirror exists both within and without, the image reflected, the Supreme Self exists both within and without the body. Ekam sarvagatam vyoma bahirantryatha ghate nityam nirataram brahma sarve bhuta gane tatha. Just as the same space exists both within and without a jar, the timeless, all-pervasive one exists as totally. So